Good morning, students. Exercise 1.1 up to question number 3 completed yesterday, today from question number 4. So, question number 4 is write the set in the set builder form. So, convert into set builder form and given question is roster form. Question is 3, 6, 9, 12. So, 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 into 2, 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 into 4, 12. That means multiples of 3. So all objects of the set are natural number, multiples of 3. So its set builder form is A, capital A, set, any set. So A equal to x such that x equal to 3n. 3n. So multiple of 3, 3n. N means 1, 2, 3, 4. Any number. And here n means small letter n is natural number. So n belongs to capital N. And 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 4. This. 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 4 because 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 6, between 1 to 4. Maximum is 4. So up to 4, that means 3 into 4, 12. So its set builder form is x within set bracket x such that x equal to 3n, comma n belongs to capital N and 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 4. Okay. Next, write the set in the set builder form 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay. So all are natural number 2, 4, 8, 6, 32 and 2. So 4. So 2 into 1, that is power 1, 2. 2 into 2, that is 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. 2, 4, 16. 2, 5, 32. That means all objects are powers of 2. So its set builder form is x such that x equal to powers of 2. So 2 to the power n. So n means natural number between 1 to 5 because 2 to the power 5 is 32. The last number is 32 and first one is 2. So 2 into 1 is 2. So between 1 to 5. So its set builder form is x equal to 2 to the power n. N belongs to capital N, natural number, and 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 5. For number 3 is write the set in the set builder form 5, 25, 125, 65. Okay. So 5 square 25, 5 cube 125, 5 to the power 4. That means powers of 5. So write 5 to the power n, we can write. So its set builder form is x such that x equal to 5 to the power n and n means 1 to 4. So 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 4. So write the set in the set builder form. Next question 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6 is even number, even natural number 2, 4, 6. So 2 into 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3 and dot are there. N number is not given. So its set builder form is x such that x is even number, even natural number. X is an even natural number. 2, 4, 6 dot. That means even natural number. Next question is write the set in the set builder from 1, 4, 9, 100. That means perfect square number all are. 1 square 1, 2 square, 3 square, at last 10 square. Perfect square number means n square. N means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 in this question. To start from 1. So its set builder from is x such that x equal to n square, perfect square, and 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 10. Number 5 is 5.1. List the elements of the set A, and x is an odd natural number. X is an odd natural number. So odd natural number, we know 1, 2, 3, 4 all are natural number. Only odd you have to write. So 1, 3, 5, 7, like this number, that is odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 7 ... within set bracket always. Without set bracket it is not set, it is only numbers. So always set means you have to use set bracket. Then list the elements of the set x such that x is an integer between minus half less than x less than 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 means 4.5. So less than 4.5. Less than 4.5 means integer less than 4.5 is 4, not fraction, integer. And after minus half, integer is 0. So between these numbers are, integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the integer. Next question 5, 3. List the elements. X is an integer and x square less than equal to 4. X square less than equal to 4. So find x first. So x square less than equal to 4. The 2 2s are 4. So plus minus 2, x less than equal to plus minus 2. And that means x between minus 2 to 2. So minus 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 2. So between minus 2 to 2, numbers are, equal sign is there. So including minus 2 and 2 also. So minus 2, comma, minus 1, comma 0, comma 1, comma 2. So these are the element. Next, list the elements of the set. X is a letter in the word loyal, Loyal. So within set bracket you write L, comma O, comma Y, comma A. So two letters L, 2 times L, 2 times present in the word. So when you write the set, only one time you have to write. L only one time you have to write. L, comma O, comma Y, comma A. Next question is, list the element of the set E. X is a month of a year not having 31 days. So not having 31 days. So except 31 days, month are February, April, June, September, November. So these are the set February, comma April, comma June, comma September, comma November within set bracket. Number 5, part 6. List the elements of the set. X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K and before K. So consonant, not vowel. So start from B. So B, then C, D, F, G, H, J. Before K up to J. So this is the set, required set. Now after that, different types of sets. Some different types of sets are there, like empty set. So what is empty set? A set is said to be an empty set if does not have any element. Without element, does not have any element, it is empty set. and denoted by, empty set is denoted by this phi or bracket only without element. This is empty set or null set, we can say. NULL, null set or empty set without element. Next is finite set. The finite set is a set which contains finite number of elements. That means countable, finite set. So if a set is countable, it is finite set. Finite number of elements are there. And infinite sets, infinite number of elements are there, we cannot count, not countable. Like set of points on a line is an infinite set. Set of point on a line. So on a line, many points are there, we cannot count, that is infinite set. Singleton set, a set which contains only one element, single element, that is singleton set. Like within set bracket, only one element 2, suppose. So this is one elements are there, so this is singleton set. Next is equal set. Equal set is two sets are said to be equal if they have same elements. If they have same elements. So one example is like one set, elements are 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 elements are there. And another set B is an even natural number less than 10. So even natural number less than 10 means less than 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. That means both are equal. So these two sets are equal set. That means having same elements. Okay. So this much for today. Thank you. Practice all.